This is our home, the blue planet. It is not a pale blue planet anymore. We human beings, the most dominant and intelligent species on Earth, are destroying our very own home and are spoiling the cycle that was granted to us. We have become the makers of our own demise. The average temperatures of the last 15 years have been the highest ever recorded, due largely in part to greenhouse gases that are thrust into the atmosphere at a very high rate. The ice cap around the North Pole has lost some 30% of its surface in the past 30 years, and Africa's Mount Kilimanjaro has lost about 80% of its glacier. These show the devastating effects of global warming. In 30 years, the sea level will have risen to alarming levels. In barely 40 years, one of the most amazing phenomena of our planet, the world's Amazon rainforest, has been reduced by 20% and is still going at an accelerated rate. Over 2 billion people still depend on coal and its many forms, causing air pollution and deforestation. The results will be detrimental on human life, and many animals on our planet will be rendered homeless. Aridity will be an inevitable issue. Many animal species are on the verge of extinction, and the impact on nature is irreversible in some parts of the world. Many fishing stocks have been exhausted because of overfishing and water pollution. Fish, which is high in protein and a vital part of the human diet, may be part of historical whispers for the next generation. While it takes 4,000 liters of water to produce 1 kilogram of rice and 13,000 liters to produce 1 kilogram of meat, over 5,000 people, mostly children in Africa, die every day due to contaminated drinking water. There are 900 million motor vehicles in the world. Air and noise pollution has become the order of the day. Our bodies must yield to the smoke produced by the exhaust pipes. We have only one Earth, and to live on it, we must treat it right. Demystifying a contrary thought, sustainable living should not cost a fortune. It only takes a little bit of knowledge sharing and the will to act. Daily action to achieve this way of life is the key to success. We need to go back to yesterday, when the ozone layer wasn't hanging over the edge, when we hadn't exhausted our planet's reserves, and the reserves were used prudently for the benefit of both humankind and animal, when temperatures were normal and we were not worried about climate change. The future starts now. Our hope lies with those capable of embracing a greener way of life. Raising a generation to achieve a golden climate is our mission. Golden Climate International Environmental Project Olympiad science competition is here, an international event aimed at giving students a platform of learning more about their environment and sharing knowledge. It is the biggest science project competition in East and Central Africa. It gives children a chance to express their thoughts outside of the classroom. The result will be self-driven individuals and a platform to develop solutions that just might save the future. This project will identify problems, carry out research, and come up with the most efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly way.